morning, Junior 1. Today we will talk about graphs. Open your books on page 43. We will start a new chapter called Who Are We? Let's read the first title we have. It's called Picture Graphs. What's meant by picture graph? It's a graph that uses pictures to give us information. We will count how many pets. This means the graph is giving us information about the number of animals. First label we have here is birds. We will count how many birds do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write here 6. We have 6 birds. The second label we have is cats. We will count how many cats do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write here 4. And the last label we have is fish. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 fish. Let's answer the last question in this page. The number of birds is, we have 6, and the number of cats is 4. So, which number is bigger, the 6 or the 4? Excellent, the 6 is bigger. Okay, Junior 1, let's turn the page on page 44. Let's read the title together. It's called Bar Graphs. Bar graph is a graph that uses colored boxes to give us information. So, let's count how many red boxes do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 red boxes. What about the blue color? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. And the yellow color? 1, 2, 3. We will write 3. And the last color we have is green, so let's count how many green boxes do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green boxes. Let's answer the last 2 questions we have. Draw the correct symbol. Red is dots blue. How many red do we have? 7. What about blue? 5. Which number is bigger, 7 or 5? Excellent, 7 is bigger. Now we will circle the color that equals blue. Blue is 5, red is 7, yellow is 3, and green is 5. So which number equals blue? Excellent, green. Now we will circle green. Now we will look at page 45. Boys and girls in my family. You will do this at home. You will count how many boys do you have in your family and how many girls do you have in your family, and you will write the number here in these 2 boxes. And you will shade how many girls and boys in your family. For example, I have 2 boys in my family and 3 girls. I will shade until number 2 in boys, and I will shade until number 3 in girls. We will turn the page on page 46, Family Picture Graph. We said before that the last activity you will do it at your home with your family members. So according to my family, I have 2 boys and 3 girls. What will I do? I will draw 2 green boxes and 3 yellow circles. Let's look at page 47. What's meant by living and non-living things? Let's remember, living things, they can breathe, they can eat, they can walk, they can have babies. What about non-living things? They can't walk, they can't eat, they can't breathe, and they can't have babies. So you can do this activity at home and count how many living things do you have at your home and how many non-living things. You will write the numbers here in the boxes and shade till the number. Okay, Junior 1, let's turn the page on page 48. Here we will have two examples, a boy and a girl, Ahmed and Maryam. Ahmed has at his house a golden fish, a dog as a pet, and a car toy. Maryam has at her house a doll, brush, and a cat. So what are the living things we have here? The golden fish, the dog, and the cat. What about the non-living things? The car toy, the doll, and the brush. So let's count how many living organisms in Ahmed's house. 1, 2. What about the living things in Maryam's house? Only one, which is the cat. So Ahmed has more, less, or equal to living organisms in Maryam's house. Excellent, more. What about the non-living things in Ahmed's house? It's only one, which is the car toy, and the non-living things in Maryam's house are two, which are the doll and the brush. So the non-living things in Ahmed's house is more, less, or equal to the non-living things in Maryam's house. Excellent, it's less than. Now let's look at page 49 here. Can you tell me which one is the picture graph? Is it the one with the tomatoes or the one with the boxes? Excellent, it's the one with the tomatoes. We will write here picture graph. What about the one with the boxes? It's called bar graph. Okay, Junior 1, let's look at page 50 and read favorite primary color. What's meant by primary colors? Primary colors are colors that found in nature and cannot be created. What are the three primary colors? Red, blue, and yellow. So we will write here red and color the circle with red, blue and color the circle with blue, and the last one is yellow and color the circle with yellow. So here we will answer this question but with your family members. What color do most of your family members prefer? We will know what's meant by the word most. Let's take an example. We have three boys, Karim, Marwan, and Salim. Karim prefers red, Marwan prefers red, and Salim prefers blue. This means that red is the most preferred while blue is least. Okay, Junior 1, let's look at page 51. We will talk in this page about hair length. We have short hair, medium hair, and long hair. Boys have short hair while girls can have medium or long hair. You will do this at home with your family members and see which hair length is the most in your family and which hair length is the least in your family. Hope you enjoyed the chapter. Bye.